Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the device is yours. This speeds recovery and prevents lockout. First, confirm which account the lock screen ties to and have that email or phone ready. Once done, make sure the device is charged and on a stable network because some reset steps download verification data. Also gather any recovery codes or proof of purchase. These are often required when automated resets fail. This upfront verification reduces delays and avoids third-party services that could risk your data. Next, use the platform's official recovery tools because they preserve your data when possible. For Apple, run the account recovery or Find My iPhone steps. For Google, use the Find My Device or account recovery flow. When you reach multi-factor prompts, follow them exactly and enter recovery codes if asked, because that proves identity without a full reset. If the device requires an OEM recovery image or mode, follow the vendor's instructions carefully to avoid wiping data unintentionally. Finally, if recovery fails, you may need to reset the device. Try a remote backup first to save data, then perform the official factory reset only as a last resort. Once reset, restore from your cloud or local backup so you regain apps and settings. If problems persist, retry the account recovery flow and keep trying time-based verification codes. Make sure to contact vendor support with proof of ownership. They can unlock or escalate without exposing you to unsafe third-party tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.